Hi guys, welcome to this full body workout video. I will be using this exercise ball from Fit Feast. As always, each exercise is 40 seconds long with 10 seconds in between to do our Tabatas together. So let's get started with some crunches on the exercise ball. Make sure your feet are flat on the floor. Feel free to put your toes against a wall for extra stability, and think of lifting your sternum to the sky versus crunching your chin to your chest. You should always have a space between your chin and your chest.
Every night I close my eyes and see only lavender dreams, baby. What can I do when a million things are running through? Million things I can't undo. I just sleepwalk, I just sleep talk. That's all I got. What can I say with a million things I can't erase?
And finishing the last one, take a quick 10-second breather. Feel free to stretch out your core like me, and we're going to do 20 seconds going to one side, 20 seconds doing the other side. So take your right hand behind your head, left hand towards the corner, and lift your sternum towards the top left corner of the room. And then at 20 seconds, we'll switch sides. And let's switch sides.
Dreams, baby. What can I do when a million things are running through?
And finishing the last one, take a quick 10-second breather. Next exercise, we'll be holding a plank with our ankles on the ball. This is only meant for advanced movers and dancers. If you tend to have pain in your wrists, you can put your mat rolled up underneath your hands. Make sure your shoulders are stacked on top of your wrists. Don't hyperextend into your elbows. Pull your belly button to your spine and keep your head and your neck supported. Keep going. And relax. Take a quick 10-second breather. Swing your legs around onto the ball and make sure your heels and the back of your ankles are on the ball. Knees are bent 90 degrees. We're going to point our toes and lift our hips up towards the sky, making a nice bridge, and then flex our feet and lower our hips. Think of slightly tucking your pelvis under when you lift up here so you don't curve your lower back. Keep going. Finishing in 3, 2, 1. We're going to be staying on our back here. This time, put your calves and your hamstrings on the ball, keeping your knees bent 90 degrees. And we're going to stay up in our glute bridge here. So point your feet, lift your hips, and make sure that your ankles to your shoulders is one long line. Keep lengthened through your toes. If your feet are cramping like mine were, feel free to flex your feet and then point through the feet, alternating between the flexion and the pointed foot.
It would scar you, then what I find, friend I would be. How low can I go, go? I think I know how low.
And come down. Place your feet flat on the floor on either side of the ball with the ball between your inner thighs. We're going to be squeezing the ball between our legs on the exhale, and then we're going to release on the inhale. Keep your back flat along the floor and exhale, squeeze, and then inhale, slightly release. Again, exhale, we squeeze, and inhale, we slightly release. Keep going. and relax. Take a quick 10-second breather. The next exercise, we're going to put the ball between our feet and cross one leg in front of the other to a little fourth position with our legs bent 90 degrees at our hips. So let's twist and lift our opposite elbow towards our opposite knee, back to center, and then switch sides. Our head and our neck are always lifted throughout this exercise, and you're rotating your hips from the top as you go towards that fourth position. These little scissor motions should really engage your inner and outer thighs. Keep going. Finishing in 3, 2, 1. Beautiful. Next, we're going to be passing the ball from our hands to our feet, so make sure you have lots of space. Place the ball in between your hands, extend your knees, pointing your toes, lift your head and your neck, pass the ball towards your feet, and then lower the ball just a touch but not your legs. Lift the ball to your hands and repeat it from the beginning. Keep going. Finishing in 3, 2, 1. Amazing. Option 1 to end here. Option 2, go to the next exercise, which is also advanced, and we're going to be starting in that plank. On the exhale from the plank, bring your knees into a little ball. And on the inhale, stretch your knees behind you. On the next exhale, lift your hips to a pike so that they're stacked on top of your shoulders. Only do this if you have worked with inversion poses before. Finishing in 3, 2, 1. Beautiful. Thank you guys so much for joining me today. I hope you guys enjoyed this workout. Let me know in the comments down below what you want to see next. Have a great rest of your day. Stay safe, happy dancing, and bye now.